Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 43, Lesson 1, Exercises. Follow along as I read the Latin. Tullus hostilius, rex, blank, a word that means ingenio, ferox, proximo regi, blank, a word that's the opposite of similis, fuit. So we have Tullus hostilius, a king wild in his nature. And so the word on our list that means the same as ingenio, which is from ingenium, the ablative of ingenium, is indoles. And indoles, although you see in the nominative it looks like it's a plural, it's not. It's one of those words that has an ace ending in the nominative, but follows the third declension, so indoles, and then indolis, indoli, indolem, and indole, short e for our ablative. An ablative of description here. So rex indole, get up here, on indole ferox, proximo regi non similis fuit, was not similar to the next king, to the previous king. So we're to know that Tullus was not like Numa. And the word that means the opposite of similis is dissimilis, and we want the nominative here because it's matching up with it's a predicate nominative after fuit. Next one, let's do one more. Cum ne possesset hostii hostilii ducis clarissimi, blank, a word from avus, gloria, blank, a word that means incitabatur, ad bellum faciendum. So here cum is means something like quod, since or because, since he was the grandson of Hostius Hostilius, a very famous leader. He was being urged on by his ancestral glory, or by his grandfather's glory, literally. And so here we want the adjective form from avus, which is avitus, and we want to match it up with gloria. Avita, gloria. And then incitabatur, was being urged on. The word here that means the same as incitabatur is stimulare, and we want the same. We want our imperfect passive batur ending, so stimulabatur. Stimulabatur. And so he's being urged on to make war. Ad bellum faciendum. Okay, so let's go to exercise number 2. If I can get there from here. Actually, I'm not sure that I can because I made this thing too big. There we go. Exercitium secundum. Domitianus templum Jovis tantis divitiis exornavit, blank nihil magnificentius fieri blank. So here we have practice with what's called the ut consecutivum, or the ut result clause. And so we have Domitian decorated the temple of Jove with such riches that as a result, and here's where we have our ut, that as a result, nothing was able to be made more magnificent or greater. Here we have our comparative adjective, and fieri from fio. And here what we want, because we have exornavit here in the perfect, we want our imperfect subjunctive from possum, which is posset. Okay, go ahead and try the rest of those, and let's go on to our question and answer. Numa mortuo, quem regem populus creavit. After Numa was dead, with Numa dead, our ablative absolute here, with Numa dead, whom did the people choose as king? And the answer, Numa mortuo, tullum hostilium regem populus creavit. Numa mortuo populus tullum hostilium regem creavit. Bene. So try the rest of those, and then I will see you in lesson 2.